You know, Chad, there's a lot of terms that get thrown around in real estate and they so rarely deliver. It's so frustrating. Things like turnkey home.
I always hear backyard oasis.
How about family-friendly, mature neighborhood? Well, rest assured, when we're talking about mature neighborhoods, we're talking about historic Allandale with these mature trees.
When we say turnkey, we mean custom magazine-worthy, open concept kitchens just like this.
And when we say backyard paradise, we mean resort-style amenities just like this. Historic Allandale, chatter, here we are. Now when you hear the neighborhood Allandale, what's the first thing you think of?
Scotty, first thing I'm going to think of is commutability. You're about 5-minute access to Highway 400, not to mention 5 minutes to the Allandale GO station.
That's a gem for sure, but for me, it's about the amenities. We got Park Place on one end, everything shopping and dining all in one place. How good is that? In addition to that, Allandale Rec Center, 5-minute drive. If you're a hockey player, a swimmer, or just want a gym close by, that's a gold star for that one. And best of the best is Barrie's best amenity, Kempenfelt Bay, right over my left shoulder here, including our downtown core.
Absolutely, we haven't even talked about school districts. Not 1, 2, 3 amazing schools, walking distance. I don't know who's going to love that more, the parents or the kids.
That's right, and then it just comes down to the maturity. We're talking huge mature trees. We're talking gorgeous lot sizes, including ours today, over 80 feet of frontage. Follow us, we're going to go check it out. Now before we head inside, we gotta pause and truly appreciate this spectacular curb appeal. Now I know you're gonna love the manicured grounds, the mature trees, the landscaping, and the gardens, but in addition to that, the list of upgrades will hit you from the moment you pull up to this house. How about a 6-car driveway that's all been redone? We've got the roof, the windows, all the soffit and eaves, including a ton of pot lights that truly enhance the exterior of this home. Now follow me and let's go check out the rest.
We go through a lot of kitchens in our industry, but rarely do we see the attention to detail of this one. The size of the island, the quartz countertops, the marble herringbone tile. You want to see quality, you have soft closed doors with beautiful dovetail custom wood boxes. All that and professional monogram appliances, including a gas range and a dual zone line fridge.
With over 1,800 square feet finished over the 3 levels, there's so much more for you to see and love in this home. The finish level is on point. We're talking about tile, 3/4 inch hand-scraped hardwood maple throughout the entire home. Upstairs here, we got 3 spacious bedrooms, not to mention a completely renovated 5-piece bathroom. Go see for yourself.
Down to the 3rd level, one of my favorite parts of this home, you're actually above grade, lots of natural light. Check in the custom cabinets just put in last year with a gas fireplace. Now, actually my favorite part, you have 9 speakers for a complete surround sound package. You know where you're gonna find me on Sunday nights. We're on the 3rd level, like I mentioned, above grade, but one thing we didn't tell you is what is behind door number 3.
That's right, because we always gotta save best for last. So right off of your 3-piece, completely renovated bathroom is direct access out to your very own backyard oasis. Boom. I gotta tell you, I love a house with a pool, especially if it's less than 5 years old, built by Blue Diamond Pools. But I gotta tell you, a pet peeve of mine is when the pool takes up the entire backyard.
Absolutely. Now rest assured that's not the case today. Now follow us while we explore the multiple different living spaces. Oh, nailed it. Did we tell you this this was a backyard paradise or what?
It's truly the total package. I mean, it is fully fenced. We got tons of mature trees, adding all the privacy you could ever want for. Magnificent grass area for the kids and dogs, and this spectacular heated saltwater in-ground pool complete with this gorgeous waterfall. Not to mention space for lounging, space for dining, space for barbecuing. It's all right here.
We are the Knowles Woolsey team. We know Barrie. For more information on this listing and more like, visit our website.
Time for you to go in.